The question is this: how on a mobile device can I discover where else is my Gmail account logged in, and can I remove my account from those other devices? I'm on an iPhone, logged into my Gmail account. I'm going to show you how to do this. Upper right hand corner is the B. Click on that, and you can see Google account for this account. Click on that Google account. Go over to Security. In the Security tab, slide all the way down to Devices. There's my devices. You can see that I'm signed in to 2 sessions on iPhones and 3 sessions on Mac computers. I'm going to click on Manage All Devices. Under Manage All Devices, I can see each session that's on an iPhone. It happens to be this iPhone. 3 sessions on Mac computers. I can click on any one of these. I'm going to click on the one for July 29th at the very bottom. And I have the ability to click on Sign Out. Click on Sign Out. Sign out on Mac OS. Boom. Now, if I look, let me go back to the Security tab. I'm going to refresh. And you can see I now have this account signed into 2 sessions on iPhones and now only 2 sessions on Macs. Again, go to Manage Your Account, go to Security, scroll down to your devices, click on Manage All Devices, and I can make a decision of which one of these do I want to click on, and just simply click on Sign Out. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.